This is the longest brow pencil description I have ever read in my life. Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the January 2018 BOXYCHARM, and I'm super excited for this BOXYCHARM. I haven't looked at any of the things just like the last one, just to keep it true and 100 with you guys as always. So let's go ahead and pull out the flip card. It has Rock 2018 on it, which is super cute, get you pumped up for the new year. And the first item I see on here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. It is an illuminating primer base, and the directions are to apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM and PM. So normally I don't do lips first, but it was the first thing on the list, so let's go ahead and plump our lips. Okay, it looks like a concealer color-wise. That's what it looks like on my hand. So if I blend it in, it just kind of acts as a concealer. It does feel and taste a little bit like Orajel, like the stuff you put on your gums when they hurt. Kind of like a numbing effect. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure how I feel about that. On to the next product. We have a Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil from It Cosmetics. It says it is its #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, and C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful, natural-looking. This is the longest brow pencil description I have ever read in my life. To give you your most beautiful, natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Wow, It Cosmetics, that was just making me feel so good about having no brows. Everyone has a brow. I'm so confused. Oh, and it's a universal transforming shade that adjusts to all hair colors. Is this a chameleon pencil? How is this gonna match my hair? Okay, this better be like something really good, because its claims make it sound like it is the best magic eyebrow pencil in the world. But let's try it. Okay, so it does feel very high quality. Has a spoolie on one end and the brow pencil is on the other. It looks like a taupe brown in the container. I'll roll it up. So that's the color of it. I don't know how this will magically adjust to match my eyebrow. This could be very interesting. Okay, not bad. For my hair color, I do feel like it is a little bit dark. So overall, I don't feel like it lived up to all of its claims to transform into your hair color. Like, that was a little out there. It did seem to work. Would I choose it over my MAC Cosmetics Soft Brown? No, but for the price that you get it for the BOXYCHARM, I'm not complaining, and I think it really would work with a lot of eyebrows. Not blonde eyebrows, but everything on the darker spectrum after, like, dirty blonde and darker could definitely make this work. So, I mean, it is what it is. Not a huge fan just because I do have red hair, but totally my personal preference. Okay, the third item in the box is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This is an eyeshadow palette, I believe, and it says rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable eyeshadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. There we go. That's the front, and you open it up and ooh, okay. These are really pretty, actually. I'm gonna do a swatch, because all about swatches. Okay, there's this bronze with like navy green flecks in it. That is so pretty. Okay, now for the moment of truth. We are going to see how well these shadows play out on the eye. We're going to put the burnt orange shade called Rebel in the middle of the eye. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful on the brush. Okay guys, here we go. Not bad. So it's a little out there. I do wish that this had a white or a transition color because it's just, there's nothing to highlight the inner corner or the brow bone with. So we'll have to use the highlighter in the BOXYCHARM. I'm actually going to blend that into Rock On with some of Wild Thing, which is the red in the top upper row. Guys, I don't know how this is going. I feel like a little lost just because of these crazy colors. How am I supposed to rock 2018 when I feel like I'm messing it up? I'm gonna try to pop some black in the very inner corner. Very outer corner. This is very, very grunge, but I can deal. It doesn't look horrible. Well, at least I went out of my comfort zone and used some cool tones at the beginning. Way to go, Allie. Okay, well, I'm not sure how I feel about that palette. Part of me wants to like it because it's like, oh, rock 2018. You're gonna be great. Here are some colors for you to choose from. And then you get the colors and yeah, black matte isn't as good as I wanted it to be. The metallics, which are all of them except for the black, they're all right. I really like the Rock On one, which is that bronzy green, but I have that already. So probably like 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 5.5, just because it's nothing that like screams like you need this. It's just kind of there. That one palette that you think you'll never use because it's just not very practical. So the fourth product in the box is the Complexion Authority. So this is by Pure. It is a bronze and brighten cheek palette. It says an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Once again, that all-inclusive, it'll work on everyone. Featuring Purse fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. How thoughtful. Okay, well, let's open this up. So it's this white little container. It kind of feels like marble, although I know it's not. Don't trick me. Can't be fooled, man. Fool me 3 times, check the piece size. Guys, this color is like a brighter version of my shirt. How am I supposed to use this? I mean, my eyes already look like a hot mess, so it's great. I can see myself in all my mistakes. Okay, well, let's try. Okay, I'm gonna be brave and I'm going to go in with my per usual Crown Pointed Blush Brush. I'm going to stipple it very carefully. Very carefully. Let's see. Okay, that's not horrible. The color reminds me of when you buy like your kid makeup set, you know? That's what that color reminds me of. Like a blush kit from when I was a kid. Good thing is it's not very pigmented, so you can't really create a clown look. I would not pick this blush shade for what eye look I did today because they're very opposite. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and digress. We're gonna use the another shimmery bronzer. No, BOXYCHARM, why? I just want a matte bronzer. Is that too much to ask? Apparently it is. Also, I just noticed all the fallout on my face thanks to the Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna fix that with my good old trusty Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Is it just called a concealer? Okay, that bronzer wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. However, it was not the Too Faced L'Oreal Milk Chocolate bronzer in any shape or form. So, I'm going to have to say, let's hope the highlighting shade is good. Hopefully get some product on my face. It's a little bit dark for me. It's a gold champagne, but more on the gold side. This would probably look very pretty on medium skin tones. And I am going to take some of that to highlight my brow bone and in my inner corner just because the Glam Metals palette did not have anything. Yeah, whatever. So that is it for the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. And the last item is the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint. It says it is one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is true to its words. Oh, okay, throwing that in there. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. Huh, well that could be a little problematic considering we already applied the Dr. Brandt Pore Primer thing. This is how my day is going. Okay, so I'm only testing one product. I'm testing both. I can't cheap out on you guys. It feels very cheap. It has this packaging, this kind of purple silver chrome. Wait, I'm gonna do my liner first. Liner always just makes a look like it actually works, you know? Like you can have a totally screwed up eyeshadow day, and if you get the right liner and you get your wing just right. Oh no. This got mascara on my face, but it's fine. I say it's fine a lot. Oh my god, guys, I did it again. I swear. How's your day going? That was the most annoying face I've ever made. Okay. And then I'm going to put my little Pixie by Petra lower lash mascara on my lower lashes. You guessed it. And also to tightline the top. Now we are going to finish with some lips. al.lllie Can Apply Lipstick Volume 999. I mean, it's a pretty color, so I'm not sure about how the formula will play out, as it claims it is lightweight, long wearing, and non-cracking. Wow, that's really like convenient that it matches, I don't know, isn't Girlactik like rock term slang? Asking for a friend. Okay, well, that was the end of the January BoxyCharm of 2018. This was a pretty average box. Nothing like jumps out at me. Probably the name brand thing would be the It Cosmetics Brow Pencil, but it's like brow power. Not super impressed with any of the other items. I mean, the eyeshadow palette was okay, but it was kind of hard to blend, and there was no transition shade, no highlighting shade. But yeah, I mean, I'm 5.8 box score. Is box score a thing? It is now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful in helping you guys decide whether you wanted to hop on the BoxyCharm subscription box. And I have nothing else to say, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!